The right utilities can dramatically boost how much you accomplish. In this video, we will share the best Windows tools for productivity. Start with a powerful launcher that lets you open apps and files instantly by typing, saving countless clicks. A window management tool helps you arrange your screen perfectly, snapping windows into custom layouts. A clipboard manager stores everything you copy, so you never lose important text again. For staying focused, a timer app using the popular focus technique keeps you working in productive bursts. A good note-taking app captures ideas the moment they strike. To manage tasks, a reliable to-do list app keeps your priorities clear. Cloud storage ensures your files follow you everywhere. A password manager secures your logins while saving sign and time. For quick screenshots and recordings, a dedicated capture tool is invaluable, and automation tools can handle repetitive chores for you. Many of these are free or built right into Windows. Choosing a few that fit your workflow transforms your daily routine. Explore these tools and discover how the right software turns your computer into a true productivity powerhouse.